What's the meaning of clump? Clump. Clump.
Clump. Clump. Clump refers to a collection of things gathered or grouped closely together, usually in an untidy or disorganized manner. The resulting appearance is often dense, bulky, and awkward, with individual components becoming indistinguishable from one another. Clumps can be found in a variety of settings, such as in clumps of trees or bushes, clumps of hair, or even clumps of dirt. They may also be used figuratively to describe groups of people or ideas that are united in some way. Overall, clumps tend to convey a sense of mass, volume, and lack of organization.